Hi, right now I'm at St. Joseph's Cathedral, Prayagraj, and this cathedral, it's a cathedral of Roman Catholic Diocese of Allahabad, Prayagraj. It was built in 1879, and it represents a very fine example of Italian architecture, and it's said that the craftsman and material, it was brought from Italy. Now, when we talk of Prayagraj, Allahabad, it's a home to many richly ornate and historically significant churches. Now, today I'm going to talk about the significance, the historical church bells here. Church bell in the Christian tradition, it is rung for a variety of ceremonial purposes, and one of them being it's heard outside the building, to tell the people that it's time for the church service, to gather people, for the church service, for communal service, and also it is associated, informing people about the timings of the daily prayer, which is called the canonical hours. And when we talk about the bell ringing, or that has its deep symbolical significance as well, because it is associated with the expansion of consciousness, the calmness of the mind, right? So I'm here at St. Joseph's Cathedral, and on this special season of Christmas and the merriment all around, I'll take you, to these ancient bells which are hung here, and let's find out, what exactly it's all about.
There's a church down the hill from me. There's a church up the hill from you. We can both hear that church bell ring. It's calling me to worship you.
I'm St. Joseph's Cathedral, and I'm taking these staircase to reach out to the place where the church bells are hung. And these church bells have a special significance. And this is the wooden staircase, that we have taken to reach the place where the church bells are hung. Yeah. You need to be very cautious while you're taking up these staircases, but yes, those are the times, and these ancient walls talks about that rich historical times, the times of when these beautiful walls were constructed. Now this is the machinery, and as I can see, it's written 1905 here, and as I've been told, this used to control both the bell, the church bell, as well as the clock, and at the timings, the exact timings to call the worshippers, the bells used to ring. Well, this is the hugest bell here, and it's engraved here, Mary Joseph. It's dedicated to Saint Joseph. Yeah, as we see. Now this is really magnificent. Really magnificent. Now actually there was 4 bells, 4 church bells usually. Yeah, and the 2 bells, they've already been taken down because they have to be repaired and remolded, as I've been told by Father. And this is the 4th bell. As you see, it's hung there, and everybody is walking here. And I also show you the that staircase that I have taken to come up. Yeah, so it was a little scary for me. And here भैया लोग told me कि डर के आगे जीत है, और हमने बोला जान है तो जान है. Wonderful. Thank you भैया लोग.
There's a church down the hill from me. There's a church up the hill from you. We can both hear that church bell ring. It's calling me to worship